Hey guys, so back out again. Really excited to be out. I got a bunch of things to try out today, so I'm really pretty stoked. The weather's not the best. It's just starting to rain again now. It's just been on and off. Like there'll be wind and rain, and then a bit of blue sky, and then just more rain, and yeah, I don't know what it's doing. So just wanted to get out there and have a bit of fun. So I grabbed these on the way in. Gonna use them just to set up a tarp over this bench here, just for supports. But yeah, we're nothing real backcountry today, just at the Kaniwhaniwha campsite on Purongia, and yeah, just gonna have a bit of fun, light a little fire. First tarp. Yeah, if you watched like my first ever overnighter on my channel here, this is the tarp I used. I think I've used it a couple other times. Yeah, just thought I'd bring her out. So the plan is gonna do a bit of a lean-to. I got these two sticks, so I'm gonna put one here or something like that, and one here, and then bring the tarp down. Although, yeah, rain's changing directions all over the show. Like, maybe we'll come over here, guys. I think we'll go on this bench over here. This bench, I think it'll provide us with a little bit more cover. Yeah, we'll go here. Oh, rain's picking up. Really starting to rain now, guys. It was supposed to ease off again a bit later on today, so we'll see if that happens. But I'm not holding my breath, that's for sure. Alright guys, so we've got the tarp shower set up. Not perfect by any means, but should do alright. Oh no. Back to the drawing board. Alright guys, so the wind's changing directions all over the place. So I'm just going to put the tarp away for now. If it rains, I've got my raincoat and I also have my poncho in my bag, so I can throw that on as well. But yeah, I'm just going to put the tarp away and we'll get on with other things. Yeah, the ground's real soft from all the rain, and because the wind's just whipping around, it pulls out all the stakes, and then it just, yeah, catches like a flipping parachute, and it's off. So hopefully, wow, there's some grey clouds, so it might rain still. It probably will rain still. Hopefully not too badly though. And I can just put the camera away, the DSLR, when it starts raining, and just use the GoPro. I think that's the plan, guys. We'll do that. So this can go away. Alright guys, it's starting to pee down again. So we're just gonna go over there into the trees there. So grab the stuff. Let's go. Oh, rain's picking up now. This will also give us a bit more shelter from the wind as well. Gee beavers. Ooh, it's picking up. Picking up. See it coming through the trees. I'll just put the bag here for now. The one thing I don't want to get wet is my DSLR. Saved up hard for it, and I do not want to break it by getting it wet, that's for sure. Nice day. At least no one else is out. I was the only car in the car park. That's the bonus to coming out in weather like this. But this area, because lots of people come camping here, all in here, really well used. Like all these tree ferns been taken down, see, it's all been cleared out, and yeah, people always build shelters here and everything because they don't like going backcountry, I guess. It's just easier to come here. I mean, fair enough if you're just learning or practicing. But yeah, so hard pressed to find any decent firewood around here, but I don't know, we'll have to see. Just gotta hunker down here for a couple more minutes, see what the weather's gonna get up to. Jesus. Oh. It rained on a fair bit. At least my bag's waxed, so should be alright. Waterproof and everything. Alright, yeah, we're gonna come behind this tree. It's sheltered from the wind here. So grab my stuff again and move again. Nice. Remove. Alright guys, so managed to find this bit of wood. Hardly anything. I've been searching for a good while now and nothing's dead, like, or if it is, it's all rotten on the floor. So this is partially rotten, kind of almost getting there, but hopefully it should work. So yeah, we'll give this a go. Too rotten. Alright guys, so we've got our wood here, just leaning up against the tree here. I managed to find one more piece as I was coming back, so that's good. They're a bit thin, but probably not going to find any better. I'll still try to do a bit of a split wood fire because I think that's my only hope at the moment. But this annoys me. Like, why would you even do it? This is a beautiful Rimu, real nice, and you just go carve into the trunk of it. Like, it just, yeah, it just annoys me. But anyway, I'm gonna try set up the DSLR. It's still raining, but I'm gonna try set up the DSLR, and I've got my poncho, so I think I'm gonna like almost try put the poncho on it, so it's just covered. Yeah, so I'll give that a crack and get back with you guys once I've got the set up. Alright guys, got the DSLR set up. I'll show you how it's working. Alright, so I've got the poncho here, and you're not going to be able to see it, are you? The camera is there. There we go, you can kind of see it. It's got the hood over it. It's kind of like a little person. But yeah, so got that set up. So choice, I can get you guys some half decent footage. Alright guys, so I told you I had a couple of things to show you. So let's start off with this here. Now, for those of you who watched my most recent video, a couple of weeks ago, but my most recent video, you might have seen me tell the story, or heard me tell the story about my canteen and how I might get the heavy cover canteen. So we bit the bullet and we got it. Haven't burnt it in yet, so hopefully that'll be today. But yeah, got the canteen and lid and everything. So canteen and cup. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. And yeah, looking forward to getting some use out of it. Hopefully it'll last a long time. Now next thing on Bushcraft USA, some very generous members. And one of the very generous members on Bushcraft USA sent me some sparky rocks. So, real hard to find sparky rocks here in New Zealand. So, yeah, he sent me some, so I can do some like flint and steel kind of. So, just got a tobacco tin, got some fluffed up jute, and then my striker. It's an old Nicholson. It's not going to focus, is it? It's an old Nicholson file that I cut off and made to a little striker. And then I got some char cloth and my rocks in the bottom. So that's, if everything goes to plan, that's hopefully how we will be lighting our fire today. Like I said, if everything goes to plan, that is. Just gotta try and get everything back in there. Oh. Yeah, and then I just had some bits of inner tube, using them as ranger bands, keep the tin closed. The sky's blued up now, guys. Unbelievable. But that's right. Alright, so that's the other item, and then I got two more. Now, when I was attempting to set up the tarp, you might have seen me use it, but I've bought knives from Caleb Cox. My tracker that you guys see me use a whole bunch, that's made by him on the Bushcraft USA forums. And so, you know, he's been making quite a few cool knives currently. And this is one I bought off him. It's a little neck knife, paracord neck lanyard thingy, and then that's it. I think it's focusing. Yeah, there we go. Little neck knife, antler handle, pretty cool. And came with a little sheath as well. So yeah, there's that one. And I've also bought another knife off of him. Doesn't have a sheath, so it's just got a cardboard one at the moment. But whew, I am so happy with this one. This thing is awesome. He's made it so it's kind of like rock. He's made it so it's almost like stone or rock, and it is awesome. Walnut handle, 5/160 spring steel, pretty sure. And the top here also acts as saw teeth, and it looks like the rock. So that's real wicked. Looking forward to using this one. Slightly smaller than my other tracker, but yeah, nah, wicked. Looking forward to getting some use in with that. So these are the items that, my new items at least. So heavy cover canteen, flint and steel, neck knife, and another tracker. So yeah guys, so pumped to have these things, and yeah, looking forward to using them. Chuck the neck knife back on. I think with the sheath for this tracker, I think I want to make a our rawhide. So I'll get a dog chew and attempt to make one out of rawhide. Hopefully it all works out. But yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, yeah, the plan for the rest of the day, guys, try to get fire going using flint and steel, otherwise if not alternative methods, and then we'll boil up some water, cook some noodles, and yeah, real appreciate it if you guys just stick along. Hopefully I can make this a good video. Rain stopped now. Blue skies are, there are still some grey ones in the sky, still quite grey, but yeah, hopefully we can make this a good video and you guys enjoy it. So this is one of the branches that I managed to find, or trees almost. These are all wet, so no, I'm going to attempt to use those, but hopefully, yeah, it's not too bad on the inside here. And yeah, so like I said, it's got a saw back. Although on here it's not much use, but yeah, there's not a whole lot of use on this. So yeah, pretty good for notching and stuff. Not the best for sawing, but does the job. And well, that didn't work. Yeah, it's still a bit damp on the inside here, this wood, but we'll split it down and hopefully it's usable. Alright, so yeah, using the sawback, just kind of notch around the outside. It makes it easier to snap where you want it to. Yeah, a bit rotten up the top here. So the stuff down the bottom is a bit drier, but I'll just keep that off to the side so I don't mix up. Yeah, this is nearer the top, not the best stuff. Pretty rotten. So we'll just keep all that off to the side and use it if need be. Just try to use some of those slightly more rotten damper pieces for a little bit of a base. Give me something to work on. And yeah. So we'll be doing a split with fire, guys. Yeah, a little like punky on the inside, but should be right. They're based in all. That's right. And just use the grounder, probably. And I want to try to get rid of this bark and all that dank on the outside, because it just means the bark holds the moisture in, and like invites rot. So by getting rid of it, kind of helps the wood to be that bit easier to catch and light. So that's just what we'll try to do here, guys. Yeah, really loving this blade. Haven't played with it a whole lot yet. This is its main action now. But yeah, quite enjoying the tracker style of knives. And yeah, like Caleb, huge fan of Caleb Cox's knives. He makes some wicked cool things, and yeah, just been lucky to have been able to get some of his. Told you it was wrong. Maybe this will work. No. Oh, dearie me. Oh my God. There we go. Yeah, so I just trying to remove all that danky stuff from the outside. Just holding in moisture and not any benefit. So yeah. There we go. They would break through that knot. Alright guys, got our wood prep done. There should be enough hopefully just to boil up a canteen cup of water there. So yeah, got it all split down and all that gunk off. So yeah, now we've got to start making some feathers and shavings for our tinder bundle. I've taken the poncho off the camera for now because it's not raining. So I'm just gonna move this and put it all in the poncho. Just trying to keep it all dry. Okay. Alrighty. Doing some tracker curls with the quarter round. So I'm also going to do some normal shavings as well. Like I said in my last video, I find a combination. I prefer to use a combination. Yeah, just seems to work for me. Although this stuff is a bit on the rotten side, like I said, a bit almost punky-ish. Alright guys, so we've got all our smaller, thinner feathers and shavings here. So I'm just going to put them on the brace here. Like that, and then I've got a couple of sticks with some curls on to help her catch, and some slightly chunkier stuff, and then all my other kindling and stuff here. So let's get the flint and steel out. Alright, so got the Ranger bands, just put them in my pocket. Alright, I'm only going to use the dew twine if I have to, but we've got our striker and a rock, and then some char cloth. So let's shut that all up. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up this char cloth, use some of it on the rock, and then this one I'm going to break up a little bit more and then put it in the tinder bundle so I can help it catch. Cool. Alright, so try to get on my rock. Try to get this on camera for you guys. Alright, we've got the char cloth and our rock. I like to grip my piece of paracord thingy and nope. This char cloth, this is from the same batch I've been testing at home with. Yeah, it's not taking it. Hang on. Yeah, I don't think that one charred so well, so we'll give this one a go. Here we go. Right. So, just put my rock and striker down, put the char cloth in the tinder bundle. Almost, not quite though. Alright, I'm just going to start loading it on because there's plenty of char cloth in there. So it's starting to take. And this wood's not ideal by any means. But hopefully we can get somewhere with it. Wood's very damp. I'm gonna make some more shavings. Alright guys, let's try get this. I don't know how much water I'm gonna need. Pull that good. Actually, a little bit less. Alright, lid, canteen, sure. Can I like set it on top? Is that a thing? Maybe not. We'll try that. No idea if it's gonna work or not. Hopefully we can get the water hot enough. Not the most ideal fire, but not the most ideal conditions either, so quite happy that I managed to get the fire going. Camera's probably not going to pick it up, but it's starting to rain again, guys. It's gotten pretty grey out there. Pretty grey. Only one side of it's on the fire, so I flipped it around. Almost there. Almost got a boil. This remu tree covers us pretty well, but are starting to get some drops on us. Time to put the poncho back on. Got bubbles, guys. It's time to put the noodles in. Alright guys, fire's getting pretty smoky now. Yeah, basically almost out, burnt all our wood, so noodles will be done in a minute. hopefully. But I'm just gonna carve me up a quick eating utensil here, because as per usual I forgot mine, but that's right. Gonna be real basic and simple, nothing fancy. It's green wood as well. I don't know if I'm allowed to eat with green wood. I don't know, I'll tell you if I get sick with it. Oh yeah, they're done. And I'd say the perfect amount of water as well. God, I'm good. Alright, let's get these off the fire. Oh yes, first burn in with the canteen cup. My first actual flint and steel fire. Never had the chance to do it before. Yeah, first time playing with a couple of new knives. So yeah, I'd say pretty successful day out here. My tarp setup didn't really work, but yeah, the wind was circling around, and kind of glad I came and sat under the tree here instead of out there. It's nicer under the tree and in the bush, but yeah. If I do come to this place again, like I come to Purongia every now and again, do camps and stuff, but not usually to the actual campsite here. And it's only like a 2.5k walk in, and it's like flat. So a lot of people come here. A lot of people build shelters and light fires and stuff, so there's not exactly a whole heap of resources left. But search around, I can usually find a couple of pieces, but yeah. Like, if I wanted to get a bigger fire going, I'd have to take down, actually, like, yeah, they're big. And then let it dry out for a year. And I am really dumb and can't figure out how to open up a packet of play. Oh, there you go. Just me being stupid. But yeah, so thank you very much to Caleb Cox for making awesome knives. I really love your knives. They're actually real good. But also to the gentleman who sent me the sparky rocks, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Yeah, kind of hard to find flint or any kind of sparky rocks in New Zealand. But yeah. Thank you very much for sending me some. I enjoy flint steel. Or I am at least now, now that I can do it. Last little flame on the fire there, you guys can't see it, but little flame just struggling to stay alive. Yeah, honestly, I said it before, but the weather on these past couple of days has just been absolutely crazy. It's like 1 minute it's blue skies and sunshine, and then the next minute it's like windy as and raining, and yeah. Oh, it's hot. So would you be if you sat in boiling water? When I'm out in the bush doing stuff like this, I don't like to check the time. Like, I like just to be able to, like, not have any pressure to get out of here or like leave in a certain time, or be like, oh no, I've only got 2 hours left. Yeah, so I don't know what the time is right now. I haven't checked it, but yeah, I just don't really like checking the time. It just, yeah, it just seems to add more stress, I guess. Like, I know this shouldn't be stressful, but sometimes it is, especially when you challenge yourself. But yeah, it just seems to add more stress and makes it less enjoyable. So I don't tend to check the time when I'm out here, unless I need to leave at a certain time. But yeah, I don't like having to get home or get somewhere like oh sorry, when I come out here. It's just not enjoyable. A couple of times when I have done overnights is usually when I have to pack up in the morning and just head out. Yeah, it's just not the most enjoyable, but it is what it is. It is what it is. At least I can get out here and enjoy some time alone with you guys. But you know, it's my favorite thing about this canteen set. The lid. I've never had a lid for my canteen. Yeah, I was just using a Nalgene Oasis and a stainless steel cup. But you know, if you watched my last video, yeah, I ran it over. So I told you I might save up and get this, and you know, I just bit the bullet and did it. Had a bit of money, so payday, and bought this. But favorite thing is the lid. I've just used baking trays, like the disposable tinfoil or aluminium foil baking trays, and yeah, worked pretty well. On my 2-night solo camp, there's part 1 and 2 on my channel. I was boiling water in my canteen cup. I try and look at the camera, but as soon as I look at the camera, I lose train of thought of where I'm at. But yeah, so I was boiling water with my canteen cup on my, not this one, the stainless steel one, on my twig stove, and the twigs were a bit damp. The twig stove was struggling, and I was trying to boil a large amount of water. Like, I had the canteen cup pretty full, but yeah, I was trying to boil a large amount of water, and it was just an absolute smoke fest. Yeah, so that water was pretty smoky, because of like boiling a large amount of water and the twigs and everything, but also the lid didn't fit on properly, and there were like holes and stuff, so the smoke just got in. But like, it was water, so I got rolling boil, but yeah, it was just pretty smoky. But yeah, so I'm enjoying the lid, and it also makes cooking and boiling water a ton easier, especially something like this when I have limited wood to work with and just want to get my water boiled. But yeah, quite glad I got this. Looking forward to using it more. Alright guys, so starting to pack up, but I thought I'd just give you another look at this, the tracker, the stone tracker. It's got a bit of gunk on it from use, but this is it. Walnut handle, and I don't know how he did that, but it is incredible. I think it's a quarter inch thick. Don't quote me on that though. And yeah, up here is where the saw blade is, so it's integrated into like the stone pattern, which I'm still trying to get over, but nah, absolutely incredible. Caleb's done a banger job. And these pins, thought they were if the camera will focus. Nope, still doesn't like me. Yeah, there we go. These pins, I thought they were like bone or something, but they're actual fiberglass, so pretty cool and strong enough, plenty strong enough for pins. But yeah, this thing's incredible. I just need to make a sheath for it. Thank you so much, Caleb. Rainbow. Alright guys, I got everything packed up and ready to head out now, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, feedback or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.